In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an end-to-end n8n workflow that reads CSV files, cleans and sorts the data, and writes the results to Google Sheets. We'll start by using the manual trigger node set to run when you click Execute Workflow. This is perfect for testing because it mimics a real workflow run without waiting on external events. You'll be able to iterate quickly and see your results right away. Next, add the Read Binary Files node and point it to your CSVs using the pattern n8n v. This tells n8n to load every CSV file in that folder and represent each file as binary data. Even though you're working with spreadsheets, reading them as binary first is what enables n8n to reliably handle multiple files and pass them through sub-workflows. To make processing predictable, introduce split-in batches and set the batch size to 1. This ensures n8n handles one file at a time, which is especially helpful with large datasets or when you want clear, isolated logging and error handling per file. Now convert the file content into usable records. Add the Read CSV Spreadsheet file node and feed it the binary data from the previous step. Enable header row so your column names become JSON keys, and turn on registering to preserve data formatting, which helps avoid surprises with values like IDs, leading zeros, or date strings. With the data in JSON, it's time to clean it. First, remove duplicate rows using username as the unique key, so each user appears only once. Then filter the dataset to keep only rows where subscribed is true. Be sure this field is treated as a Boolean. If your CSV uses uppercase true, the current settings will handle it cleanly. Optionally, add a set node to attach the source file name to each row. This makes it easy to trace where each record came from, which is invaluable when auditing or troubleshooting. Sort the cleaned data by date using an item lists sort operation. Choose the correct date field and sort in the order that matches your reporting needs. Consistent sorting will make downstream review and comparison much easier. Finally, output the results to Google Sheets using the Google Sheets node. You can append new rows or update existing ones. For updates, map username as the key so records are matched and revised accurately. And verify that your column mappings align with the sheet headers. This complete flow demonstrates how n8n moves from binary file intake to structured, filtered, and sorted data, ready for reporting, all within a clear, testable process.